Hi friends, thanks so much for being here. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to focus solely on my bedroom. I really need to give this space a good thorough cleaning, more so a deep cleaning, so I'm going to tackle that today. I am going to do a little organizing in today's video. I also want to share with you how I style my bedding because I get a lot of questions about that, so I'm going to try to leave as many links as I can down in the description box. And also, I want to share with you a brand new furniture piece that I have recently purchased for this space that I'm really excited about and can't wait to style it. So yeah, keep watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully it gives you a lot of motivation, maybe some decor ideas and inspiration. And if you enjoy these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. Say, are you gonna get up? You gotta get up. Here are my bed hogs. They absolutely love laying in our bed, and better yet, they love laying with us, and we wouldn't have it any other way. They are just the sweetest. And Bella here is actually going into surgery in a couple of days, and I'm very nervous about it. I feel so bad. I don't want her to have to go through surgery, but she has what's called a luxating patella, so her knee shifts out of place. So she has to get that operated on, and I'm hoping that it does the trick and it just helps her mobility, because right now she kind of walks, well, she does walk with a limp. So we want her to get her all fixed up. So I'm really hopeful that this will do it. But at the same time, I hate to put her through surgery. So, but I'll keep you guys posted on how everything goes.
You said I was a piece of art. You decided to paint my heart, but you colored it gray, then you put it in a frame, hung it beside other house gray as mine. Oh, I should have known, should have let you go. Oh, I should have known, should have let you go. Oh, I should have known, should have let you go. But I wanted to fall in love so bad, like in the movie.
So I changed my clothes because I was just feeling way too hot in that sweater. So now I feel much better, but I want to walk you through step by step how I make my bed. So of course I begin with the fitted sheet, and my go-to sheet set that I love are actually from Sam's Club. It's by a brand called London Fog, and they are so affordable, and I feel like they're really high quality for the price. So I will have that sheet set linked down below for anyone who's interested, and I'll try to list as many bedding items as I can find that I mention in today's video. So once I lay down the fitted sheet, of course, I place the top sheet on top of that. And then now I'm moving on to my duvet cover, and I'm gonna put the down comforter inside the duvet. And I'm sure there's a better way to do this than I do it, but basically I will just stick my hand through the opening of the duvet cover and pick one corner and match a corner of the down comforter to this corner, and I'll do the same to the opposite corner. And then I'll take both corners and I'll literally like shake the blanket so that it kind of like the duvet cover kind of falls over the blanket, if that makes any sense. But I think I'll just show you instead of talking about it. The duvet cover is from IKEA, as is the down comforter, and if you have never shopped at IKEA, I highly recommend it. They have so many duvet covers, different styles, at very affordable prices. So when I'm styling my bedding, I love to have a neutral colored sheet set as well as comforter, preferably white. That way I can add pops of color with pillows and throw blankets. And speaking of pillows, I love to decorate my bed with pillow shams. It just really makes your bedding look so luxurious and comfy and cozy. So I usually will start with a larger pillow sham in the back and work my way to a smaller one in the very front. But today I'm using the pillows that we actually sleep on. I'm going to disguise those in the very back, and then in front of those I'm going to put some king size pillow shams And then in front of those white pillow shams, I am putting my pop of color with some blue king size pillow shams. And then in front of the blue pillow shams, I'm going to add some decorative lumbar pillows that I got from IKEA. Now these blue pillow shams, I love this set. This came with a comforter. It was a set that I ordered from Amazon, and it actually reminded me of a Pottery Barn set, and so I couldn't resist it because it was a fraction of the Pottery Barn cost, and it is so pretty. It looks much higher end than it is. It's not the highest quality, but it is very comfortable, a very comfortable set. Now that the bed is made, I am moving on to dusting, and typically I like to start from the top and work my way down. However, today I for some reason forgot to begin with the blinds, but I will be dusting those later on in the video, so stay tuned. And I hope you are enjoying today's video so far. I am so happy that you are here. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're cleaning along with me today, or just let me know what you're up to today. If you follow me over on Instagram, then you will recognize this desk because I shared it over there. But I have been looking for a desk for this wall space for months. Ever since we finished our bedroom, I have been looking for one, and at first I thought I would refurbish one and repaint it, but I just never found just the right style desk. I came across this on Target's website and I fell in love with it. Let me show you up close what it looks like. I love the hardware, it's so pretty. And then look at the detail on the legs. How cute is that? It's kind of more of a vintage look, but I just think it's so pretty, and again, it just fits exactly what the look that I was going for. So now I just need to find a chair. I'll probably shop at home, or definitely Home Goods. I'll check there first. And then I plan to get some artwork to put above the desk, or maybe a mirror. I don't know, because I have a mirror on the wall behind me. So I don't know, I gotta figure that out, but I'm gonna have so much fun with this desk. It's just gonna be another workspace, and that way, you know, when my husband's using the office, I can be up here, or vice versa. And then I'm thinking I'll probably buy like a couple desktop organization decorative little objects. I don't know, but I love it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and if you are interested in this desk, I will have a link to it down below. right along. Next, I'm going to vacuum my carpet because it needs it really badly. And if you have dogs, then you can completely understand how frequently you have to vacuum because their fur just collects in the carpet. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but my white cream colored rug here looks really dingy at the moment because you can just see black fur kind of embedded in the rug, and it just kind of balls up, and it's driving me insane. So I'm gonna vacuum, give the floors a good vacuuming, and then I'm gonna move on to my nightstand and organize my top drawer of the nightstand because it's kind of like my collect-all of my jewelry that I use most frequently. So I'm gonna give that a good, cleaning out. Now to do a little organizing. So the top drawer of my nightstand is the drawer that I use the most, and it has become a junk drawer. I pretty much keep all of the jewelry I like to have easy access to in this drawer, and then I've got my journals and just random stuff. So I need to go through this, declutter it. I'm gonna pull everything out and put everything in piles by like items. And then I'm gonna use these 2 trays that I got from HomeGoods and see if I can't organize my jewelry in these trays. And then they should fit side by side. Looks by far 100% better, and obviously I eliminated half the stuff that was in this drawer. I am gonna find another home for those items, but I think this is going to be so much more useful for me because whenever I would try to find my jewelry in this drawer, it was just chaos. And now I've got all my go-to jewelry, easy access. I've got my journal, a Bible, I have face masks over here and some pillow spray. The stuff is really relaxing. It just smells like lavender. But eventually, our plan is to put a closet system in our closet. And when we do that, I'm going to have a whole drawer, like whole shelf area for my jewelry. So until then, this is just a temporary fix. But I think this is just going to work out so much better when I'm trying to, get ready for the day. So I love it.